Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to solve you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Let's get started. So if you have this error, what you can do is you can head over to your Play Store and instead of using WhatsApp, you can search right here for WhatsApp Business. So head over and install WhatsApp Business right here, and once you have installed it, you can just head over and log into it as usual like you did on your WhatsApp itself. So the next method is to head over to our browser, open a new tab, search in here for WhatsApp support. So let's search in here for that. And in here you can see the option for this contact WhatsApp. So click on this contact right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you can head over and then enter in here your phone number, email, confirm it, and just enter in here how to use WhatsApp as well as your message below that will help you or help them know your issue with their application. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and try best to answer. Thanks.